Hi, I'm Jordan from Sawblade.com. In this video, I'm going to be analyzing the Freud SD600 series dial-a-width dado set that comes in an 8-inch diameter. It produces smooth, flat bottom cuts in veneered plywood, laminates, and melamine, as well as soft and hard woods. This dado set features Freud's TiCo high-density cross-cutting carbide and a silverized coating that resists pitch buildup, heat, and corrosion up to 2 times longer than standard polished blades. The SD600 dado set is ideal for professionals who need extreme accuracy in 4/1000 increments in various materials. Sawblade.com carries an extensive inventory of Freud as well as a wide range of high-quality sawing products. So log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs, from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. Sawblade.com, simply the best in performance sawing products.